Lesson 6.2. Signed versus unsigned. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson, and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads, and the docs on the right become our guide. You will apply signed where signed arithmetic is required. Build some unsigned and some unsigned unbinded. Compare logs, confirm pass. Verilog vectors are unsigned unless you cast or declare sign. Signed of X reinterprets bits for signed ops and compares. Same bit pattern can mean different magnitudes signed versus unsigned. Two parallel sums. Signed cast versus plain unsigned add. Your TODOs are the two summer signs. Fill both golden sum expressions, then Ctrl S. Those edits are in. Next we open simulation, press run, and check the log for pass. Open simulation and press run. The log prints signed and unsigned sums, then pass. In Surfer, right-click the TP score and add the signals. Surfer contrasts the two sum interpretations on the same inputs. Yosys still builds adders. Signedness is interpretation. Open the circuit schematic to see the synthesized netlist. Review. Signed only where the math must be signed. The test bench chooses vectors that expose the difference. That is signed versus unsigned. See you in the next lesson.